Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Ishraf Hasif bin Muhammad Sakari RO 23174. So today I will talk about data management group project. So in this video I will talk about database and how to construct the dashboard, how to use it, and information about the dashboard, and last one is strength and weakness about the dashboard. So this is our member. First of all, we got Long Faiz, and second one is Afiq, the third one is Adam, the fourth one is Arif, and the last one is me. Before we start, I will talk about database. So, what is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in computer system. As we can see, at the right of this video, that is our data that I will explain. The topic of our data is case non-fatal occupational injury by sex, incapacity, and migrant status. In this data, we can see it has 5 columns. The first one is country, and then sex, type of incapacity, migrant status, and last one is year. This database is very important if you want to make a dashboard. So we go on how to construct the dashboard. From the data that I had shown, which is this data, we need to make 4 groups so our dashboard will look more understandable. First of all, we need to select all the data and make a pivot table and a slicer. As you can see, this part is focused about type of incapacity. After select all the database, click pivot table at the insert section. After that, add type of incapacity at the column section, and then add country and sex at row section. Automatically, the table will change itself according to the pivot field. After setting pivot table, we need to make a slicer. Click on the insert at the same place and click slicer. Then select type of incapacity. The last one, add child that recommends and match your data. After that, for this part is focused about sex. The method is the same as before. The only difference is in the pivot table field and also the slicer. For this part, make a pivot table and add sex at the column section, and then add country at row section. After that, the table will change itself according to the pivot table fields. Other than that, add slicer and click sex only. So as you can see, the slicer just show about sex, which is female and male. And then the last one, you need to add a chart that match your data. After you have done doing all the 4 different pivot tables, you now can start doing your dashboard. So this is the example of our dashboard according to our database and our pivot tables field. So now I will show you how to use the dashboard. So this is our dashboard. So our dashboard have 4 different charts but had the same database. The first one is about sex, the second one is about migrant status, the third one is focused about type of incapacity, the last one we will talk about sum of year. So let me show you how to use it. As you can see, this chart is focused about sum of year, which is database within a year from 2014, 2015 and 2021. If you want to know the data at 2014, you just click it and it will show you data at 2014. Let me show you like this. Same goes to the other. If you want to know data on 2021, just click it and it will show you the data on 2021. But if you want to know sum of 2014, 2015 and 2021, just hold Control button and click all of it. Automatically, it will show you the sum between the years. The way that I showed you just now can be used on other data. In this dashboard, we can get many information from it. For example, if you want to know the data about EU migrant for male at 2014, And also the permanent incapacity, just click it and let the chart change itself just like this. Another example, if you want to know about non-migrant for female in 2021, for example, just click it and it will show what data that you want. So if you want to know all the data between the year, just clear all, hold the control button and click it. Just like this, and the chart will show you the sum of the data that you want. Last but not least, we will talk about the strength and weakness about our dashboard. So the strength of our dashboard, the first one is it is easy to use and understandable. The second one, we can search and manage the data easily without wasting time. The third one, we can organize a lot of data and also can design and format the dashboard for specific needs. So now we will talk about the weakness of our dashboard. So it is struggle for handling very large data set and leading to performance issue like system crash and etc. The second one, organization heavily relying on this dashboard might face challenges if there's a lack of proficiency among users. I think that's all for now. I hope this video will give benefit and easy for viewer to understand it. Thank you for watching.